This is a sound effects toy from the 1990s. It's called the Executor, and we'll just run through all the different sounds that it offers. Thank you for watching.